is called Flying, and it's about when you're not really having the best day and you're just feeling a little bit down about yourself. You've always got to remember that you've always got to just forgive yourself, and even though it's one of the hardest things to do, especially to forgive yourself, because you're one of the hardest people to forgive. So just always got to remember to pick yourself up and try and fly again. So I hope you enjoy it.